Let's hit our trader blitz. 4 trades on 4 stocks making news today. First up, McKesson trading at its highest level in more than a year. And Joe, you own it.
I do own it. I think the next stop is 178. That's a 2017 high. You had public scrutiny. You have the RICO cases for a lot of the generic drug makers. You had an opportunity in April when that occurred to get into McKesson, a name where the sentiment is overtly bearish. You're seeing the sentiment change, seeing the pivot. This is how it all evolves and develops. Stay with it.
All right. Tesla reporting record second quarter deliveries. That happened Tuesday night. The stock is up 4% for the week. Josh?
Yeah, so this is going to continue to be a tug of war between the perma shorts and the perma bulls. It's probably the most bipolar name out there, just in terms of the sheer force of opinion from both sides. This week clearly was a win from the people that were looking at this delivery as proof that there's not a demand issue, which is one of the phrases the bears have been using lately. So how long that goes, what comes next week, who's to say?
Where are you on it? You have a strong feeling?
I am strongly no position.
You're strongly no position.
Have never been long or short. Have no plans
Don't love
to wade
it. Don't
into
hate
this.
it.
He's got a position. He drives an SUV. He's got a position.
Yeah, he's got a position.
This is too tough for me. I have no edge on this.
My worry on them is that they're going to get competed out of business.
But you know what? They said that about Netflix.
Not necessarily out of business.
They said that about Netflix 30,000% ago.
Yeah.
And they've been saying that about Tesla since 2010. And maybe it's true, but it has. I mean, it has not impacted the stock price, the valuation, the company. It has not. It could next year. Or never.
Right, but go.
I think the real concern is if they have to source demand outside of the U.S., how are they going to be able to spend on the logistics that they're going to need to satisfy that demand?
They sell blowtorches. They raise cash.
That's where the absence of cash is going to hamstring them, because they're not going to have the ability to grow.
Mm-hmm. Joint ventures for battery facilities. They've found ways. I don't know.
Financials, the only sector in the S&P up today. Jim, you own Goldman Sachs.
Yeah, Tyler, and the financials should be up today just on the basis that, first off, good news is good news. We got a great jobs report. The economy is healthy, and that should lead to a steeper yield curve. Goldman Sachs in particular, look, there's a lot of things I could say about why you're supposed to own this, but probably the biggest one is this time last year we were lambasting it for not buying back shares, okay? In the latest CCAR results, they've clearly made their intentions known that they're going to be buying back shares at less than book value. I'll be on board with that. This is one you should own.
All right, Jenny, you brought WestRock to our attention earlier this month. Since then, it has gone up, and you say the trade war talk around the name is simply wrong. Explain.
Right. So this is a paper and packaging company, and I think superficially and topically, it's easy for people to say, when the economy slows, we're going to be buying less from Amazon, therefore less use of paper packaging. Reality is they make cups like these, and they just won a big award for compostable cups. They make all sorts of packaging for razors and beer and everything you can possibly think of. So it's down still 30% from its high. It's up 14% since I bought it, but it's trading at 13 times earnings with a 4.8% dividend yield. I think there's still a lot of upside to go.
WestRock, not one I know.
No.
All right, let's go ahead. Finish.
Right.
Finish your thought.
It was a combination from Mead West Vaco and Rock 10.
Oh,
right. So,
yes.
yeah, more familiar
West
names.
Vaco. Sure, I know them.